Hey everyone, welcome to OS Engineering. Today we'll be doing another SolidWorks exercise for beginners. And if you guys want to do more exercises, there's going to be a link in the description for the SolidWorks exercise playlist. So let's get started. So today we'll be drawing a gear, and we'll be starting by drawing this side of the gear first. So we're going to start by drawing the teeth of the circle, and you can see that the base has a radius of 25. So we'll start by drawing a circle. So we'll start sketching on the front plane, click on circle and start drawing from the origin. Type in 50 so that we get 25 in radius. Click on OK. Now I'm gonna draw a midpoint line anywhere over here, and that is going to be 1.25. click OK. Now I'm going to click on the line again, and you can see over here that it's not actually 2.5, so I'm going to make that into 2.5, and I'm going to draw another midpoint line somewhere around here, and that is going to be, and I'm going to type in 3 so that we get 6. So we're going to use Smart Dimension to set these lines at the right position. So click on that line, and then from the origin it's supposed to be, type in 30. Now this line and this line, they're supposed to be 5. So now that we have changed the position of these two lines, the dimension of the circle would have changed too. So see, it is 42 instead of 50. So I'm going to change that to 50. Now we're going to draw a line from this point to this point, and another line from this point to this point. Now we're going to delete this line because we only drew that line for reference. And if you go to trim, and if you click on the drop down button, there's an option for extending entities. Click on that and then just hover over this line so you can see a preview of a line being formed. Click on it. Same here. Now we have to sketch these teeth all around the circle, and for that we're going to use the circular sketch pattern, and entities to pattern. Click on these 3 lines. We don't have to click on this line, and then now we're going to change it from 4 to 20. Click on OK. So we have sketched all the teeth. Now click on trim and trim these inner line over here. And now we're going to draw another circle. So click on circle, and from the origin type in 40, and then go to features, and we're going to extrude it. And so with the drawing you can see that it says 20 in thickness, but we're going to type it in 10, and then click on OK. Then we're going to sketch again in the front plane for another circle. Click on circle, draw a circle from the origin, and then type in 30. Then click on this circle, click on convert entities, and that circle's also been drawn. Now go to features, extrude boss again. So we're going to change it from 10 to 5. Click on OK. So what I've done is only made the gear 10 millimeters in thickness. So the reason why I did it is to show you guys another feature we can use. So click on mirror, and then go to bodies to mirror, and click on the body, and make sure merge solids and knit surfaces are ticked on, and click here, and then click on this face over here, and then click on OK. So now the gear is 20 millimeters in thickness, and the holes over here has been formed over here as well. And if you guys want, you can change the color as well. So it's going to click here, click on appearance, and click on part, and then I'm going to give it red. Click on OK. Now I'm going to change the color of this face. Click on appearance, and then click on face, and I'm going to give that a cyan color, and then click on this face as well. Click on OK. Into normal view. Yeah, and that's it. So this is all we have for today. And again, if you guys want to do more exercises, there's a playlist link down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.